Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete your Luxy account permanently in 2025. Quick and straightforward. If you're ready to move on from Luxy, follow these easy steps. First, launch the Luxy dating app on your mobile device. Go to your profile or account settings. Look for options like deactivate account, delete profile, or similar wordings within the settings. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to delete the account permanently. If you have a paid subscription, navigate to your subscription settings and cancel it to avoid future charges. If you cannot find the deletion option or encounter problems, use the Luxy contact form or email to request account deletion. Include your account details such as name, email, phone number, other identifiers in your request. This is according to Luxy's terms. And that's how you permanently delete your Luxy account in 2025. No hassle, no lingering on data.